Google has finally launched a default weather app to compete with Apple and Samsung. Though Pixel phone has long been able to display the current weather and widgets, tapping the widget just launched a basic screen with a cute weather frog and a handful of stats. It felt like a web page because basically it was that. With the launch of the Pixel tablet, Google has rectified the situation. The new weather app, which is accessed via the same widgets as before, as there is no icon to launch it, has a much nicer design without losing the playfulness of the old experience. It has a 10-day and 24-hour forecast, wind, humidity, barometer pressure and UV index, plus current sun position and sunrise position. It shows details of wind, humidity broken down by the hour. All of this is available in an easy to pause single screen with some fun animation for the current situation. The only thing missing is the radar view. It might be enabled in the next update, but so far nothing has been seen. The new weather app is limited to tablets only, though Google might bring it to other devices in the future. Android policy has shut some of it, how it might seem to run on phone-sized screens, thanks to developers that are able to activate it on devices. Samsung devices already have a complete weather app pre-installed, but it seems Google will launch it for the tablet first and then the Pixel phones. The new application has the ability to provide immediate weather perception information, including how intense it will be and how long it will last. It will also provide data up to 12 hours in advance thanks to the use of data provided by National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration and other resources. This information will be displayed in the app when it's relevant.